Hi, I'm Christine Belling with BriteCo Jewelry and Watch Insurance. Ever struggle with tarnished jewelry? The dark discoloration can be frustrating and even cause skin irritation. While proper care can help prevent tarnish, it's not always practical. That's where non-tarnish jewelry comes in. By choosing the right metals, you can enjoy beautiful jewelry without the worry of tarnish. Why does some jewelry tarnish in the first place? It all comes down to science and how metals react. Tarnishing occurs due to chemical reactions. When a metal comes into contact with certain environmental elements, think water, sweat, chemicals, and even in some cases, the air. A chemical reaction occurs and the metal changes color. These chemical processes are sometimes called oxidation, and at least where tarnishing is concerned, a metal's oxide is the new chemical compound that results from the tarnishing process. While there are plenty of jewelry metals that don't tarnish, there are also metals and jewelry pieces guaranteed to tarnish under the right conditions. These include silver, copper, alloy, and nickel. While pure silver will not tarnish, you won't find a piece of jewelry made from pure silver. The metal is far too soft to be used for jewelry making. Because of this, all silver is mixed with other metals to form jewelry, and those mixtures often include metals that will tarnish. As such, sterling silver and silver-plated jewelry will begin to tarnish when exposed to the right environment. Silver tarnishes due to the exposure to gases in the air. Copper tarnishes when water, dust, bodily fluids, and chemicals are exposed. Even just moisture to the air can cause nickel to tarnish. Stainless steel is durable and tarnish-resistant, even in extreme conditions. Platinum is strong, sophisticated, hypoallergenic, and tarnish-free. Solid gold, 18 karat or higher, is tarnish-resistant, but avoid gold-filled, gold vermeil, or gold-plated pieces. Palladium is strong, hypoallergenic, and tarnish-resistant, with a rhodium-like appearance. Tungsten carbide is scratch and tarnish resistant and ideal for durable pieces like wedding bands. The last one is ceramic, which is durable, tarnish resistant, and available in various colors. So what do you do if you have a beloved piece of jewelry that's already tarnished? First, remove the tarnish from the jewelry. Confirm what the jewelry material is. For example, it's made from a metal that doesn't tarnish. You may have different damage on your hands, not tarnishing. Once you're sure the jewelry consists of metal that does tarnish, consider the piece's value. Suppose it's more valuable than a piece of costume jewelry. In that case, you may consult a professional regarding the best way to clean the jewelry. You don't want to run the risk of ruining a beloved piece of jewelry. You can also try a few gentle cleaning methods. A soft jewelry cloth, water, household items like mild dish soap or toothpaste can often remove some tarnish. So what metals won't tarnish over time? There are a myriad of metals that don't tarnish over time. Pure gold, stainless steel, palladium are just a few. All jewelry can tarnish if made with metals that tarnish easily. Metals that tarnish easily include silver, copper, and nickel. If you want a necklace that won't tarnish, opt for one that's made of 18 karat gold. While stainless steel technically can tarnish, it certainly can't tarnish easily. You can rest assured that this metal will remain pristine under most circumstances. If keeping your jewelry safe and in perfect condition is a high priority, don't let that same protected jewelry fall prey to accidental damage, theft, loss, or other threats. Get your jewelry insured through BriteCo. Thanks for watching. Contact us for more information or to get your free jewelry insurance quote.